Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Xiaomi phone setting guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to on backup my data in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to always backup my data in your Xiaomi phone, so guys you can on and guys now let's see how to on backup my data in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your backup my data guys. So we will scroll and guys you can see this phone setting. So I we will on it. Then guys you can see this type of setting. So what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys your about phone setting. So we will click here. And guys you can see your backup and restore. Tap here again scroll guys you can see backup my data. So guys you can see backup my data setting. So guys you want to on so guys you can on from here guys. And guys you want to off so guys you can off from here. Then guys you can see backup account. So you can backup account. You can take your backup account. Add a backup account current now. So I hope friends you have understood how to backup my data in Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.